You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But have you ever heard of Bruce the Christmas Moose? Donner's out in Winnipeg, kicking up his heels. Dasher's always on the move, driving 18 wheels. Prancer's in McMurray for 20 weeks or more. Vixen's out there with him and he's sleeping on the floor. Cupid fell in love again up in Yellowknife. Dancer's out there jigging underneath the northern lights. Comet's in Upper Island Cove gazing at the stars. Blitzen's down on George Street checking out the local bars. But Santa can't find Rudolph, he's nowhere to be found. He's somewhere on the island in a little outport town. He won't let Santa find him, he's somewhere on the loose. Santa Claus will have to call on Bruce the Christmas Moose. Dum-di-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle, Rudolph's on the loose. Santa Claus will have to call on Bruce the Christmas Moose. Bruce the Christmas Moose. Bruce the Christmas Moose. Now Santa Claus and Rudolph are on the outs, you know. Rudolph says he's tired of pulling Santa through the snow. He said, I'll take some time off, I'm sure at least a year. And when I'm not near the deer I love, I'll love the deer I'm near. Before I might consider going back to my old job, I need a great big raise in pay, so Santa please don't sob. Santa never was the kind to take reindeer abuse. Looks like there's a full-time job for Bruce the Christmas Moose. Dum-di-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle, Rudolph's on the loose. Looks like there's a full-time job for Bruce the Christmas Moose. Bruce the Christmas Moose. Bruce the Christmas Moose. Dum-di-diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle, Rudolph's on the loose. Looks like there's a full-time job for Bruce the Christmas Moose. 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 Bruce the Christmas Moose.
Christmas Eve, snow all aglow upon the ground, but the sickness I didn't know in my daddy that was found. I can't remember him lying there in a bed with bars on each side, watching him sleeping peacefully. So why did mommy cry? I was only the age of 5. How was I to understand when he looked at me and smiled at me as he held my hand? My dear little girl, I'm sure you'll make me proud. Give mommy love. There's a gift that's wrapped with loving care, placed under the Christmas tree. But the best gift I can ever give is a kiss, the last kiss from